Are the official Windows 11 CD keys just too expensive? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at VIPSCDKEYcom. Basically, it's a website where you can get awesome CD keys for games and also official Windows 11 software and Windows 10. Plus, you're going to get my discount code and get 25% off, which will make it dirt cheap. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing, and well, I guess we can't unbox it. Let's go check out the website. This is VIP-SCDKey. So you just got a new PC, but installing Windows 11 is turning out to be a real hassle, and the official price, well, you know, it's way too high. That's when I found VIP-SCDKey. Just gonna head over to the Windows 11 CD keys page and boom, problem solved. If you use my exclusive 25% discount code, CHE25, it'll bring that price down to just $23, which is way cheaper than the official one. Now look, I'll walk you through kind of the information here and show you part of this Windows 11 Pro activation process, but it's not really that big of a deal. It's super simple to get set up. Pretty much just going to buy it, click it, and put in the code. Now, are you looking for a Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC instead? Well, guess what? Same discount code, CHE25, will drop the price to $11. Now, I'm not telling you to go buy it now, but you should. I'm just showing you how easy it is. And do you like video games? Guess what? VIP-SCDKey isn't just for software. They've got games too, like Hammerwatch 2. Guess what? It's only $6.60 with my code CHE, which gives you 3% off. So VIP-SCDKeys has all your favorite software, it has tons of games, and guess what? It's discounted. So you can go and get ready now. Don't miss out. Check all the links in my description. I'm a huge fan for the fact that you can get all this stuff discounted at a great price and you don't have to pay for that official Microsoft price. So $11 for a CD key, great. $25 for a CD key, mwah. We want to give a huge shout out to VIP-SCDKeys for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.